Hello my divas and welcome back. Happy New Year. So this video is sponsored by YouthBeauty. This is another wig install, you guys. So if you want to see how I laid this wig from start to finish, then continue watching the video. So this is the packaging, and I want to say that this packaging is so freaking cute. Love it, love it, love it. And the hair that I will be rocking is the body wave style. It is a 13x6 lace front wig, natural curl. It is a 1B free part, bleach knots, and the inches are 20 inches. This hair was super soft, like felt so freaking good. I love how big the lace is because it gives me plenty of space to part freely where I want to. Most wigs don't have such a big lace, so this lace is 13x6. Even though it's already pre-plucked, I did go back in and just pluck the frontal a little bit more because I wanted to have a little bit more of a natural hairline. So I already cut the lace. I am using the Ghost Bond glue. I normally would do the stocking method, but for this video I just did not feel like it, so I'm just pretty much just putting it above my extra hairline but not directly on my hair. And instead of using one layer, as always, I am using 2 layers of this glue, and I'm just using the rat tail comb to just spread it out. So of course you want your glue to dry all the way clear. So since I did the other side first, that's the side that I am laying down because the glue is already dry, and I'm going to lay down the other side once that gets done drying as well. So the wig is all laid down, glued and secured, and I just want to show y'all this hairline and how it's looking so far before we get ready to style it. So now I'm taking my hot comb and I'm going to pretty much create my side part. I want to have like a loop side part, or would you call it a curl side part? Y'all know what I'm talking about. And I'm taking my hot comb and I'm just going to flatten that hair down so we can define the part more. And I'm also going to go in and pluck the part after I get done hot combing it. So right here I am plucking it to give it a little bit more natural looking part and not so wiggy. And I love how the wig just seeks right into my skin. Doesn't look like a, you know, wiggy wig look. So now I am just pretty much going to go ahead and style the hair by curling it. Now I'm not an expert curler yet, you know, this is like something that I'm still working on. Like I really suck at curling. Like throughout this video y'all gonna see me struggling trying to curl this hair. I would normally suggest curling it on the mannequin head. For me that's much more easier, but I just didn't feel like doing all of that, so I just went on and just curled it on my head. But it's much more easier to curl it on the mannequin head in my opinion, unless you're just like an expert stylist and you know what you're doing. Me, I'm still like, you know, practicing or whatever, especially with curls. Now this wig, I forgot to mention, it does have a lace in the back if you want to glue that down as well. But I didn't want to glue that down because I don't think I'm going to be, well, maybe later on I may be using the back of the lace, but for now I'm just going to leave the hair down. And for the curls, I wanted big loose curls. I didn't want super tight neat curls. I just want something loose and big and wavy looking and bouncy, and you can see the hair curls really well. It takes curls really well. Then I'm taking some mousse and I'm just laying that side part down, just creating a little baby hair, and then just laying and molding down the rest of the hair to get rid of flyaways or such or whatnot. And I'm taking some concealer to define the part even more, and I'm just blending it out with my finger, and this is the final look. I love how this came out. This hair is super bomb. All information on this hair is listed down in my description box. Curls well. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up, comment down below what you think of this look. But again, happy new year, and yeah, let's keep this slayage going all year long. I love you guys so much. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you all in my next video.